Bill Gates recently said that he thinks that most jobs will be gone, including doctors and teachers. So that really pissed me off because I'm a doctor and I teach medicine, so both of my job will be gone. What does AI means for modern education? A few weeks ago, I teach a group of medical students on a medical topic about patients with liver disease and bleeding, and I asked them question, what if this patient developed fever, and what do you think about the possibilities? And then everybody check GPT and give me their answers. They're all correct answers, all right, but I feel that they are looking at an elephant on a different angle. Some feel the trunk, some feel the legs, and so on. And I was wondering whether they actually know the core knowledge of that topic. So then I start to ask myself, what do we need to teach and what we do not need to teach anymore? In fact, I believe that a lot of huge medical textbooks can be thrown away or can be donated to the library, because we don't need to teach all those very detailed stuff. Anatomy, all right, every muscle, every nerve or blood vessel, which one sit on the left, which one on the right, and which one in the front. Why do we need to know that? Because AI can tell us everything. But what is the basic core stuff? Like the example I gave you, when students give me different answers for the same question, I wonder whether they know why these all different answers are all correct or all incorrect. What is the basic knowledge that they will still need to acquire? But most importantly, I think we still need to teach them what is right and what is wrong. And is right or wrong merely derived by algorithm and statistics and data? Is there anything that beyond data and beyond algorithm, something that about human being that we still need to teach them?